What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Kevin and I make videos on my 370Z Nismo. So if you're interested, consider subscribing. We have a lot more content coming and we're trying to reach 5,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I know we can do it. Anything is possible. We made 1,000 subscribers this year, so I believe we can reach 5,000 by the end of the year. Go down there, comment, like, subscribe, share it. It'll help me out a lot and we can grow a lot faster, and we'll probably do another giveaway at 5,000. If you don't believe me, go DM Daniel. His Instagram was there, so DM him, see if I sent it to him, because he will be getting his double din very soon. We actually just got back from Philly. We ended up going to Tuner Evo, and unfortunately I was unable to record at the event. I got there and I realized I forgot all of the batteries, so I just decided not to record. I was very upset. Could have recorded on my phone, but it just would have been different. It would have felt different. But it was actually a pretty cool show. I got to meet Dustin Williams, if you guys know who that is. I'm 100% sure most of you know who that is. He was pretty chill, pretty cool. I got a picture with him. I put it up on my IG, so go check that out. Being at Tuner Evo actually gave me a goal for next year, and that is to get the Z into the show. With your support and you guys continuing to support the channel, I know we can achieve that goal. So next year, mark my word, you heard it here first, we are gonna get the Z into the show. I think that would be so sick to have your car in a show like Tuner Evo. So you heard it here, we're gonna do it next year. Let's go. On to the video. I actually got these packages from Z1 on Friday. I had to pay 2-day shipping because Shay is back and she's gonna need her car, and I also need a car, so I had to get these in as soon as possible to install them in the car. I was gonna get an alignment without adding these parts onto the car, but thinking about it, if I got the alignment and then I got these later on, I would have to get a second alignment. Just to save some time and money, I ended up getting these two packages from Z1. These two parts is actually gonna complete the rear suspension. I'm not sure when I'm gonna get to the upper control arm in the front. I don't think I really need that right now because I'm not gonna go crazy camber. But for the rear, to save some time, to save some money, I bought toe arms and camber arms to complete the rear, and we should begin alignment either tomorrow morning or Tuesday, but I have to message them so we can schedule an alignment and I can finally drive my car. So I might have to drive my car tomorrow to work without an alignment, which might be a little sketchy, but I think I think we'll be all right. So let me show you what I got, and we should be getting into installing these parts. It should be pretty simple. It's just like 2 bolts. So let me show you, and let's get to installing these. What I ended up going with was the Z1 street tow arm and camber arm. I know there's 2 different kinds. There's a race and a street. I don't plan on tracking my car, so I didn't see the reason to get the race because it's a lot more expensive. So I went with the street. It also comes with stickers, which won't be going on my car because they don't sponsor your boys. So thank you, but no thanks. But everything that comes in here, you get. So this one is this box does come with the tow arms. Comes with instructions, which is always nice to have, so you don't have to go in and look for them. But it's pretty simple. So this is how the tow arm looks. Pretty nice. Package pretty nice. It also comes with thread locker, which is nice because I don't think I have any at the moment. So that's nice, I could add that in there. I also bought the eccentric bolt eliminator. This is basically just eliminates that bolt that allows you to adjust the camber and the toe on the stock suspension. But that is everything in that tow arm box, and this should be the camber arms, which are a lot shorter, and they look like that. Pretty nice. I like the black, simple, clean look. So as you can see, really nice quality. So let's get to installing these, but first I do have to raise up the fronts. Let's get that over with and then move on to the rear. I think Shay's home. I think she is. What up? Yeah, Riley's not out here. Okay, cool. You get us goods. Drugs. We can now get back to the video. So I got it to 6 1/4. I'm gonna put the wheels back on, and I'm hoping it does not touch the fender or the fender liner. So let's put the wheel back on and fingers crossed. So this was what I was hoping for. I can't even fit 2 fingers in there, but I can fit like 1.5, and it's finally not touching the fender liner. So this was what I was hoping for. Hopefully, if we have bumps and stuff, it does not hit the fender as much. But if it does, I guess I can just stiffen up the dampening a little bit so it's not as bouncy. But this was what I was looking for, and it looks so good. Let me do the other side, and then we should continue with the install today and get the car aligned. Hopefully tomorrow, maybe Tuesday, but soon. But this is perfect. It is still low, and it looks so good. It's actually getting pretty hot in here, so excuse if I'm sweating a lot, but I'm gonna start with the driver's side tow arm. I have the instructions here with me just in case I need them, but it's pretty straightforward. There's only 18 steps, and the first like 5, that scared me, but the first 5 are just taking off the wheels and jacking up the car. So we're almost done.
am done tightening the body of the toe arm right here. All you have to do now to adjust the toe are to loosen these two nuts right up here. For this bolt, you just use the OEM, and here is the eccentric elimination bolt right here. So you no longer have to adjust this to adjust the toe. Now it is all through the body. I'm gonna move on to the camber arm, and we should be moving on to the other side. So I'm done installing the toe arm and the camber arm. The bolts that I replaced are at towards the inside of the car, as well as this one, the eccentric bolt eliminator. So now to adjust the toe and the camber, all you have to do is loosen these nuts and then just move the body. But I think the alignment is gonna be so out of whack, because as you can see where the wheel goes, it is caving in. So once I put the wheels in, it's gonna look pretty bad, but the alignment shop would get it all worked out and nice. So we're gonna move on to the passenger side, install those. I don't think I'm gonna record that just because I already did this side. I'm trying to get this done and then go for a test drive. I'm finally done with the passenger side. The camber arm was such a to take out. It took me at least like an hour just to take that one out, because the bolt in the back did not want to come out, but we got everything all put in. All we have to do is torque down everything to 54 foot-pounds of torque and then put the wheels on, and then we are done with this install. Actually not going to be going on a test drive because it is raining, but I will continue this video either tomorrow or Tuesday. I have to get this car aligned because now Shay needs her car. She's home and I need my car to go to work, so I can't just leave my car here and take her car because she either got things to do or go to work. So I'm gonna put everything back together and pick up the video whenever we get an alignment, either tomorrow morning or Tuesday morning. Or I'm gonna have to just drive this car to work all messed up. But hopefully not. Hopefully Shay can make it back before I go to work tomorrow, which is 2 o'clock. So I think she'll have enough time to get back home and we can get an alignment tomorrow or Tuesday morning and have the Z all aligned and good to go. So let me put everything back together, continue this video either tomorrow or Tuesday. Yeah. So I was driving her car a lot, and then I did the coilovers, and that's been down. But let's go. So far it feels good. Let's go around the block and see how it feels. I don't hear anything. Let's go around the block. They're doing construction over there. So far, so good. Nothing. I think we're good, boys. Oh. I miss driving this car. Yep, I hear no rubbing at all, which is a good thing. I'm turning the wheel, nothing. Oh man, I can't imagine how it looks from the outside. It probably looks so good. I'm gonna go back to the house. I do have to clean up the garage so Shay can park in the garage as well. But as far as the Z, all I'm waiting for is the alignment. It looks so good from the outside. So you can see it has a little bit of camber in the rear as well as the front, but it looks good. Yes, sir.
We didn't have any issues with rubbing or anything like that. Should be ready for an alignment. I'm gonna clean up a little bit and we should be wrapping this video up. So let's do that real quick because we need some space for Shay's car. Let's go. So that is gonna be the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I've said before, if you're scared to do something, just do your research and you'll save a ton of money on doing projects like the camber arm and the tow arm by yourself. But with that being said, the car is ready to be aligned and I'll be able to drive it again. This is my daily driver, so that will be changing hopefully soon, and I don't have to drive this as much and put as many miles on it. But it is a car, so I should be driving it. With that being said, peace out. I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay safe. Peace.